You'll simply come to a seated position. I'm going to recommend that you sit up on a blanket so that you're able to lift out of your lower back. So we'll set up for Dandasana to transition into our seated poses. So in Dandasana, find the actions of Tadasana. Press forward with the balls of the feet. Peel the pinky edge sides back. Spin the tops of the thighs in towards one another and descend the tops of the thighs. Now take your hands just slightly behind you with your fingertips facing the wall behind you. Hold on to your blanket so you can use your blanket as leverage. Now, reach down with your hands as you lift up with your chest, and then use this grasp of your blanket to spin your inner arms to the outer arms, opening your chest. Very nice. And now as you open your chest and mobilize your thoracic spine forward, take the sides of your navel back. So this is Dandasana. And we want to maintain this quality when we come into a seated twist. Keep reaching forward with your heels. Spin your inner arms to your outer arms. Lift and open your chest. Take the sides of your navel back. Now release your arms, but keep your chest lifted and bend your right leg. Bend your right leg, keep the Dandasana quality in your left leg, and then you're going to have your right knee over your ankle and then your right heel in front of your right buttock. So you've got a little bit of space, about a palm's distance between your foot and your thigh. And now you'll twist. Inhale, raise your right arm, reach up towards the ceiling, lengthen your side. And now place your elbow just to the inside of your right knee. And when you place your elbow there, did your knee fall open? If it did, pin your knee against your arm against the knee. Now you're going to use the blanket again as leverage. So hold on to the blanket and then from your inner arm to your outer arm, roll open. Notice how that opens the chest. And then you can start to walk your hand away from you along the edge of the blanket to twist your torso more. So you can see how the arms are really working together as levers to twist your torso, to twist from your navel, your ribs, and your chest. Just like in Parvati Trikonasana, reach forward with the left heel. Let that left leg be the grounded quality. And then your chest, there's a lightness, a lifting. Stay for another cycle of breath. Press the shoulder blades into the chest. Twist any amount more. And now inhale, bring your gaze forward. And exhale, unwind. Straighten your right leg. Come to Dandasana. Again, align. Take your hands behind you. Again, just use your arms as leverage to open your chest. Reach forward with your heels. So from the root of your thighs to your heels, lengthen. Descend your tailbone. Ascend your sternum. And then use your hands on the blankets to help you spin your inner arms to your outer arms. Notice how the collarbones spread. And as you spread your collarbones, take the sides of your navel back. Ascend your sternum. Ascend the crown of your head as you descend the tops of your thighs. Keep this lifted and open quality. Release your arms, bend your left leg this time, and have your left knee over your ankle. Left knee over your ankle, left heel in front of left buttock. Take your right hand behind you, not to lean back into, so hold on to the blanket. Raise your left arm up to the ceiling, and place your elbow to the inner knee. The knee presses against the arm against the knee so that the knee doesn't fall off the midline. And now use the hold of your blanket to peel the head of your right shoulder back. So the arms, again, are working as levers. With every inhale, ascend your sternum. And with every exhale, twist more. And you can start to walk your hands around the perimeter of your blanket towards your left buttock to deepen your twist. Stay to inhale, look forward, and exhale, release that. Stretch out your legs, come back to Dandasana. So we're going to take that twist a little bit deeper, preparing for a bind. If you have tight shoulders, you might want to have your strap handy. Now bend your right leg. Place the foot just in front of your right sitting bone. Now you're going to take your right arm to the inner knee and reach forward with your fingertips. Reach your fingertips forward like you're going to touch the foot in front of you. Your left hand's behind you, again holding on to the blanket, and then from your inner arms to your outer arm, roll open. Turn your palm to face the other way, away from your foot. Wrap your arm around the leg. Take your other hand and interlace your fingers. At first, your chest might need to lower to find the bind, but then once you have the bind, lift your chest. If you're not able to lift your chest, then my recommendation would be to use a strap. Use the bind to help twist your torso. So you can see how the arms are closer, so you get a deeper twist. From the root of your left side to your heel, lengthen, and then lengthen your sternum. Stay to inhale, look forward, and exhale, release your twist. Stretch your legs. Find the blueprint. Bend your left leg. Left arm forward. Reach forward, forward. Hold onto the blanket with your right hand and then use that to peel the head of your right shoulder back. Inner arm to outer arm. Now flip your hand the other way so it's facing the other direction. Wrap your arm around your leg. Take your other arm behind you to meet it and interlace. Now, once you've got the interlace, lift your chest. Good. So Lauren's doing a really nice job. Her torso's upright. Now, again, this bind is to serve you. It's to deepen your twist. If your chest is collapsing, you're having a really hard time deepening your twist, then please use a strap or repeat the last version. Inhale, look forward. And exhale, unwind.